Tired of delayed maintenance due to slow manual request entries? Struggling with field staff missing key details or wasting time typing? Introducing DreamzCMMS, the AI-powered solution that lets your team create service requests using just their voice, whether you're using the mobile app or the web portal. Just speak your issue, like, the air conditioner is leaking and needs urgent repair. And our AI auto-generates the title, description, and even sets the right priority. No typing, no guesswork, just speak, review, and submit. It works seamlessly from any device, on the go, or at your desk. DreamzCMMS empowers your team to create accurate requests in seconds, boosting efficiency, reducing downtime, and streamlining your workflow. Multilingual support, AI-driven precision, and hands-free convenience, DreamzCMMS revolutionizes maintenance operations. Try it now and turn voice into action anywhere, anytime.